My name is Bronwyn Bridges. I'm the CEO and co-founder of PragmaClin, and we are a digital health-based company here in the East Coast of Canada in Newfoundland and Labrador. We specifically focus on Parkinson's disease research, and we started the company in 2020 when my co-founder Gord was diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, and my background was in researching Parkinson's progression. We use 3D cameras attached to our system where a patient stands in front of it and is guided through the series of clinical assessments, and then the score happens in real time based off of algorithms that we've created with clinicians. From here, it takes 10 minutes, and from start to finish, you'll be able to see the progression of each symptom. We have many different MVPs we've gone through, but we built it on passion and brought in a team. So we scaled out the software development team, and we're able to create features that not only helped clinicians, but helped researchers, and then we're ultimately able to help patients. So we looked at what markets we might be able to enter easily and what markets were going to be a lot more difficult or take a lot more time. And the European market for us has always been a big one, but has a lot of regulatory standards that we have to pass through. And we got connected just kind of right time and right opportunity with OCO through a program here locally in Atlantic, Canada. And they were able to work with us to understand what markets were the best for us to enter in Europe, and from there some of the key opinion leaders that we should talk to, and then actually structure out how to reach out to them and what to say. So they created a call script. We made almost a targeted list of who these future customers could be, and they started the outreach. We ended up getting a lot of success with the person we were working with, and OCO was incredibly helpful in building out those profiles for them who would or wouldn't be a good fit, and then actually set up the meetings, organized everything to do with them, including the follow-up. And we ended up getting a contract with an institution in Norway based on the outreach, in which we did not actually anticipate happening in the beginning. But we also now have this total CRM of key opinion leaders from across Europe. So when we are ready to enter those other markets and other countries, we know exactly who to target, and we know the outreach that worked the last time, and using really that same kind of manuscript that we can to make that traction that we need. I truly cannot say enough good things about working with OCO. They have been a phenomenal partner and provided us so much traction in a market that we were unsure of. But they also work across many other markets, and we really hope to be able to work with them again as we scale. And I would highly recommend it for anybody to really understand where they want to scale into in different markets, but also to have that reliable partner, because I think it really comes with a different level of trust of having an organization who has presence already, has those connections, and knows how and who to reach out to. For us as a startup, I think people are really kind of nimble on who they work with and trying to pick one-offs here and there. Working with a trusted partner like OCO has really given us that traction we need. So I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's unsure on new markets, wants to discover new ones, or really just wants somebody to help them to really scale out faster.